Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to fix the most common or most asked question I get concerning Creality 3D printers. It's about people who recently added a sensor for auto bed leveling or who bought Creality printers like I think the Ender 5 Pro, the S1 and several of the CR10S Pro series. Because normally if you install the probe, it's not going to work, or if you get one that has it, it's also not going to work. The issue is very quick to fix, and it's really a disappointment that it's still even an issue, because it could be fixed just by providing good profiles for your slicer. Anyway, how to fix it? We go to Settings, Printer, Manage Printers, select the printer you want to fix. In this case, we're going to say it's an Ender 3. We recently upgraded it. And then we're going to look at the Start G-code. As you can see, here we reset our extruder, then it hones, and then it tries to print. So there is nothing in there, no matter what Creality tells you. If here is no G29 or M420S1, you are not going to be able to have auto bed level. I know for the CR10S Pro they told the printer applies it. No, it doesn't. So how to fix it? We click here, press enter, G29. Let's rename it to whatever, auto bed level. Boom, done. Now your printer has auto bed level, and every freshly sliced G-code will use this, and you're hopefully, after setting your C offset, you'll have a working printer. That's all. Thanks. Bye.